When you're looking for something random to do, check out this channel. Hey, welcome back, you guys. So for today's video, what we're going to be doing is planting our Brussels sprouts. So here we got Brussels sprouts, the ones we've been sprouting for the last couple of weeks. And as you can see, the bottom of these already got roots coming out. I just changed this water once every day or two. And as you can see, all of these have roots in the bottom. So today we are just going to plant these so we can get them growing. So they're all looking nice and good. So our first step is to get the pot, put some dirt in it. So we got dirt in our pot, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these and just shove them down in there. And if I need to, I might replant these in a couple weeks. But for the moment being, I'm just gonna shove them all in there. Okay, and last one. And the last thing I'm gonna do is just top this off with some water. So there are our Brussels sprouts, and let's just moisturize this. And there we go. And that's it. And we'll see how these grow. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video. Tune in for the next one. If you would like to see me do something special, write it down in the comments. Like and subscribe.